Hello, card collectors and breakers, or whoever you are out there in the world. It's time to break some cards today. Today we're going to break some 2017-18 Prestige Basketball. I got a blaster here. I got a rack pack here. And we'll just kind of see what we get out of either. And kind of make a little comparison deal. So we'll start with the little rack pack. We're going to get 30 cards. And we are looking for bright green micro etched. So that ought to be pretty cool. If I can get the pack open. Let's try down here. There we go. Alright. So we've got Marcus Smart, and this is the base card, what it looks like front and back. It's pretty simple. Same deal as Prestige does every year with all their different cards. D'Angelo Russell. DeAndre Bembry. Anthony Davis, Rodney Hood, Nikola Mirotic for the Bulls, PC card, Julius Randle, and then now they're going to flippity-flop, Miles Turner, Jeremy Lamb, Chris Middleton. We've got a Tyler Dorsey flipped around. Let's see what it is. Ooh, nice. That must be the green ones they're talking about. They kind of look like cracked ice a little bit. Tyler Dorsey, that is a sharp card. What else we got here? Ah, nice. That's pretty flashy too. Bam Adebayo, the Heat rookie card. Nifty. They're not numbered though, but that's okay. Matthew Dellavedova, maybe? It's another one of those. And then we have some inserts. Hardcourt Heroes, Mike Conley from the Buckeyes. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, all-time greats insert card. Stat Stars, John Wall. And then Stars of the NBA, Kemba Walker. And then we have a Jarrett Allen. Whoa, that's pretty super flashy. A Jarrett Allen rookie. That is neat. I have not seen one of these yet. Nice. And then Anoyabai rookie card. Stephen Curry base. Ika Nubai rookie card. Evan Turner. Harry Giles, Damian Lillard. All right, Kyle Kuzma. That's a good one to get. Tobias Harris. And then a Lorenzo Ball debut. So both of the top Laker rookies we got. Alex Len, Cenarius Thornwell, and Rudy Gay. It's not a bad little rack pack. Now we'll hit the blaster up and see what we get in it. There's our packs. And we're going to get 8 packs, 5 cards per pack. And it's going to give us 40 cards. Pack number 1. Alrighty. Juan Hernan Gomez. One of those flashy cards. Billy Hernan Gomez. Looks like we've got an all-time greats. Insert card, Grant Hill. And then Andre Iguodala. I pronounced that wrong, sorry. And Wayne Selden Jr. Alrighty, we've got Michael Kidd-Gilchrist. Yeah, I'm not going to try that guy. You got a Devon Reed. Looks like a cracked ice. I think they call it micro etch, perhaps. I'm not exactly sure. Really cool card though. Alpha Card Mamino and Caleb Swanigan, rookie card. Let's see what else here. Alright, we've got Evan Fournier, Buddy Held. We've got a D'Angelo Russell, Hardcourt Heroes. That's a pretty sharp card. And then CJ McCollum and Devon Reed. We have Hassan Whiteside, DeMarcus Cousins, insert highlight reel for Ben Simmons, if you can see that there. First career triple-double. That's pretty cool. Rudy Gay and Tyler London. I think that's how you say his name. Could be wrong though. Alrighty. We've got Willie Cauley-Stein, CJ Miles backwards. It's going to be one of those flashy cards. I don't know exactly what they call them. I think they're called micro etch. I could be wrong though. Stars of the NBA, John Wall, Trevor Ariza, and Miles Teodosic. I think is how you say that. And we got about 3 packs left. We have a very interesting card of Cameron Payne. I haven't seen one like this before. Looks like it's just a regular card. That's interesting. Alfred Payton. And then we've got Lauri Markkanen, the top Bulls rookie in most people's opinion. And like that cracked ice looking deal. CJ Miles and Jonathan Isaac rookie card. 2 packs left. Yeah, that one Bulls card was very interesting. I haven't seen one that looked like that before. Usually, you know, they're out there playing and it's interesting. I have to investigate that one a little bit. Daniel Gallinari, Alan Crabtree. We've got a rookie class, Justin Jackson. Insert card. And we're going to finish off with Carmelo Anthony and Tony Bradley. Last pack. Hopefully get some mojo. Maybe pull Tatum, Fultz, or somebody like that. Or Donovan Mitchell. I did pull Donovan Mitchell out of the Panini Contenders. If you want to see that video, it's on my channel. Dion Waiters, Ben Simmons, Hardcourt Heroes Blake Griffin, Otto Porter Jr. on Speak of the Devil, Jason Tatum. There we go. There he is. So not a bad way to end the video. Pulling a base Jason Tatum rookie card. Nice. So just a little comparison. Here's all the base cards out of that rack pack. And I think the rack pack's $5 or $6. The blaster box, there's your base and rookies. So I mean, you get a little bit more cards, but you're gonna pay a little extra. Depends on what you want to do. I mean, it seems like you get quite a bit of more out of the rack packs as far as like parallels and such. So, and without getting a guaranteed hit out of the blaster, I don't know, it might be better to go that route. But that's up to you guys. There's your chance to see what you could get and make a decision that best fits you. Personally, I think I would go for the rec packs, but that's just my opinion. But anyhow, if you like the video, smash that like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. Leave some comments. Tell me what you'd like to see, or any kind of comments. I'll respond to them. And until next time, keep breaking cards.